Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Typically we fix cars on this channel, but today you can see there's a tractor. It's my tractor and I broke it. Let's check it out. So what happened was I was doing some work out back with the box blade. You can see I got with the 3-point. I got the quick hitch sitting over there on the floor. I took this 3-point arm off to get it out of the way. This little bracket right here typically lives right here, and I noticed my box blade was swinging around quite a bit. That's why. We have a broken bolt. That bolt right there, I turned out with my fingers out in the field. Well, out in the woods, out back. It was finger tight, which leads me to believe that this bolt is probably just sitting in there, not tight, just broken. I'm hoping. This is a captured hole, meaning that there's no, it's not drilled all the way through. They're just dead end holes into this piece of cast right here, which is part of the rear axle of the tractor. I tried to turn it out with a screwdriver and a chisel, and I didn't have any luck. Probably because it's recessed a 1/4 of an inch in there. If this doesn't work, well then I'm gonna have to drill it out. But it's a 14mm bolt, so I'm hoping I can get it out because I don't want to drill through all that. But if I have to, I will. So with that said, we're gonna fire up the Vulcan welder and let's see what happens. Just gonna let that cool off for a minute, and then we'll try to turn it out of there. Oh, well, all right, we'll try again. Looks like I might have got a little extra on there. Looks like I might have got her. I better clean that up before I weld this back on there. I had the voltage up. It looks like I put a little extra weld to that plate there. Well, I don't know if you guys caught it, but that bolt moved. It went the wrong way. It started to tighten, but that's good news. It's moving. I almost feel like maybe if I just put a bunch of weld on there, I might be able to grab it with some vice grips and turn it out. Let's try that. Yeah, it's not building up like I was hoping. know if you guys can see that, but it's moving. It's moving just from putting these vice grips on there. I think if it wasn't so recessed, I wouldn't be having such a heck of a time trying to get this. See that moving? It's moving. Alright. It's not moving enough though. Cut the light so you guys can see what's going on. I need the light so I can see it through my welding helmet, but just a little bit of play there. All right, we're going to go take number 2 on the bolt technique. Alright, we'll let that cool off, and then we'll try to turn that out. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. Let's see if we can get this thing to turn. A little bit. It feels loose in there, but it won't turn. It's almost like something's hitting. Oh, there it goes. Easy, easy. It's like a stuck pickup truck. You just got to rock it back and forth. Come on. I don't want to force it because I don't want to snap that thing off. I don't want to drill it either. Oh, it's working. Oh, look at that, would you? Ha-ha. Look at that. Success. And all the threads are good still. Check that out. So that was pretty cool. I picked up a new bolt from Tractor Supply. It's a 14 by 2 thread pitch. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me the thumbs up. Check out my other stuff. Subscribe. Thank you.